Types of birds that sound like insults. Volume 6. Forest scrub robin, you black-chested fruit eater. Gray-rumped swiftlet. You're a little spider hunter, a musk duck, ruddy spine tail. You ashy flower pecker, Eurasian bullfinch. Forest canary, neck-laced barbet, you olive-faced flatbill. You ruddy-breasted crake, you short-billed leaf tosser, three-toed jacamar. You're a white-rumped vulture, a Peruvian plant cutter, a large-headed flatbill. Japanese bush warbler. You Himalayan snowcock, fairy flycatcher, helmeted guinea fowl. Thank you.